In the default mode, the Valotalive display works as a digital signage screen, communicating live data and updates to frontline teams. With a quick tap, the team lead activates the interactive digital tier board. The team gathers around to view a real-time snapshot of high-level KPIs, including safety, quality, and production, all updated instantly from your core systems. Following the SQDCP order, the leader taps through each dedicated tab to review performance. These tabs and their content are fully customizable, allowing you to align the board perfectly with your specific site requirements and KPIs. As the meeting ends, the leader simply clicks back to digital signage mode. The Valota Live display returns to its general loop, ensuring critical information remains visible to everyone on the floor 24/7. If this sounds like the right fit for you, just get in touch with us via our contact form linked in the description.